only reason why we can stay outside of Braj, outside of Navadvip, outside of Puri is if we are engaged in giving out the message of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Kalam Nayed Akhilam Iti Upadesha Saram. This is the essence of nectar of instruction. Run to Vrindavan and follow in the footsteps of Brajavasis who are crying and weeping and rolling on the ground in separation from Shri Krishna. Why? Because they have Rag. There are three things, dear devotees: Rag, Ragatmika, and Raganuga. All three mean different. Rag means love or attachment, primarily means love. Rag means love. Second is Ragatmika. Ragatmika are devotees like Subal, Madhumangal, Stoka Krishna, Kinkini, Vasudam, Dam, Sudam, etc. Lalita, Vishakha, Induleka. They are Ragatmika devotees. And those who follow the Ragatmika devotees to attain a particular mood in Vrindavan are called as Raganuga devotees. All three are different. I repeat. Rag means love. Ragatmika are like the eternal Nitya Siddha associates of the Lord. And those who follow these associates of the Lord, that is the Ragatmika devotees, to attain a particular one-pointed mood in the land of Vrindavan are called as Raganuga devotees, Raganuga Vaishnavas. So who is Rupa Manjari or Rupa Goswami? Ragatmika. And those who are following the Ragatmika Rupa Goswami become Rupanuga. I hope that was clear. Those who follow Ragatmika become Raganuga. But who is Rupa Goswami? He is a Ragatmika devotee. So those who follow the Ragatmika Rupa Goswami become Rupanuga. In other words, if I have to put it in another simpler language, those who are Rupanuga are also Raganuga. But those who are Raganuga are not necessarily Rupanuga. I hope that made sense. I repeat. Those who are Rupanuga, followers of Rupa Goswami, are also Raganuga. They are also following the mood of Raganuga Bhakta. But those who are Raganuga are not necessarily Rupanuga. For example, those who are followers of Nimbarkacharya, they are also Raganuga Bhaktas, but they are not Rupanuga. But Rupanugas are always Raganuga. So Rupanugas are always Raganuga, but Raganugas are not necessarily Rupanugas.